Python, a comprehensive journey. Let me just give you an overview of what Python is. Introduction to Python. Python syntax. Python libraries and packages. Python applications. Python tools and resources. Conclusion. Introduction to Python. Python is a powerful, high-level, object-oriented programming language. It is a versatile language that can be used for a variety of tasks, including web development, data analysis, and automation. Python is easy to learn, has a large library of modules and packages, and is highly extensible. Python is an interpreted language, meaning that code is executed line by line as it is written. This makes it great for rapid prototyping, debugging, and iterative development. It also makes it easy to learn and use, as you don't need to compile your code before running it. Python syntax. Python syntax is straightforward, consistent, and easy to learn. It uses white space to define code blocks, and indentation to indicate the scope of variables and functions. Python also has a large set of built-in functions and modules, making it easy to get started with coding. Python also supports object-oriented programming, which allows for the creation of reusable code. This makes it a great language for developing large-scale applications, as well as for prototyping and experimenting with new ideas. Python libraries and packages. Python has a wide range of libraries and packages that can be used for various tasks. These libraries and packages are open source, meaning that they are free to use and modify. Popular libraries and packages include NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Python also has a large collection of third-party libraries and packages, which can be used to extend the language's capabilities. Popular third-party libraries and packages include Django, Flask, TensorFlow, and Keras. Python applications. Python can be used for a variety of applications, including web development, data analysis, automation, and machine learning. Python is also used in a number of popular applications, such as YouTube, Instagram, and Dropbox. Python is also used in scientific computing and artificial intelligence research, making it a great language for data scientists and machine learning engineers. Python tools and resources. Python has a wide range of tools and resources that can be used to learn and develop with the language. Popular tools include the Python Idle Development Environment, the PyCharm Integrated Development Environment, and the Jupyter Notebook. Python also has a large community of developers and users, which provides a great source of support and resources. Popular online resources include Stack Overflow, the Python mailing list, and the Python subreddit. Conclusion. Python is a powerful, high-level, object-oriented programming language that is easy to learn and use. It is versatile and extensible, making it great for rapid prototyping, debugging, and iterative development. Python also has a large library of modules and packages, as well as a large collection of third-party libraries and packages. Python is used in a variety of applications, including web development, data analysis, automation, and machine learning. It also has a wide range of tools and resources, as well as a large community of developers and users, making it a great language for anyone looking to learn to code. My name is Philip and I'm going to guide you through this journey. I promise it will be swift and seamless. Let's dive in.